For most of human history, the deep ocean was a complete mystery, a place of superstition and monsters. It was only in the last century that we finally built vessels capable of surviving the journey to this alien world on our own planet. First, the first deep-sea explorers used simple diving bells. As early as the 16th century, explorers would use a diving bell, a large bell-shaped chamber lowered into the water with air trapped inside, to make brief observations of the shallower parts of the ocean. Next, the journey to the abyss began in the bathysphere. In the 1930s, William Beebe and Otis Barton made the first true deep-sea dives in the bathysphere, a thick steel sphere lowered on a cable. They were the first humans to witness deep-sea creatures like the anglerfish in their natural habitat. The deepest point was conquered in 1960. Don Walsh and Jacques Picard became the first humans to reach the Challenger Deep, the deepest part of the Mariana Trench. They did it in a special kind of free-diving submersible called a bathyscaphe, the Trieste. These brave explorers opened the door to the deep, but what they revealed is that we've barely scratched the surface. Next time, we ask the biggest question of all. How many undiscovered species are still hiding in the dark? Follow or subscribe to find out. The workhorse of modern exploration is the ROV. Today, much of deep-sea exploration is done with remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs. These are unmanned underwater robots connected to a ship by a cable, equipped with cameras, lights, and manipulator arms, allowing scientists to explore safely from the surface. Finally, James Cameron made the first solo dive to the bottom. In 2012, film director and explorer James Cameron became the third person to reach the Challenger Deep, and the first to do it on a solo mission in his submersible, the Deep Sea Challenger. Let's test your knowledge of this historic journey. In what decade did the first true deep-sea dives take place in the bathysphere? What was the name of the vessel that first took humans to the bottom of the Mariana Trench in 1960? What type of unmanned vehicle is the workhorse of modern deep-sea exploration? Let me know your answers in the comments.